Great day, companions! How are you? Today we will discuss Jaecoo J7. The Jaecoo J7 is more than just a new player in the SUV market. It's a stunning piece of automotive craftsmanship that showcases remarkable features in design, performance, and innovation. With its modern aesthetics, high-tech offerings, and impressive powertrain options, the Jaecoo J7 has been making waves among SUV enthusiasts. This essay will dive into every detail that makes this vehicle an alluring choice, appealing to both the adventurous spirit and the practical driver. One of the first things that catches the eye about the Jaecoo J7 is its sophisticated yet aggressive design. The vehicle stands out with bold lines, a muscular stance, and an athletic silhouette, which gives it a commanding presence on the road. It features a wide, sleek grille that seamlessly integrates with its LED headlights, creating a cohesive and luxurious look. The rear is equally impressive, with distinctive taillights and a well-sculpted bumper that further enhances the vehicle's strong aesthetic appeal. The use of high-quality materials is apparent, from the chrome accents to the soft-touch finishes that adorn its exterior. Every detail has been meticulously thought out, combining practicality with a level of style that elevates the Jaecoo J7 from other vehicles in its segment. Inside, the Jaecoo J7 embraces a minimalist yet functional design. It offers a spacious cabin with ample legroom and headroom, making it comfortable for long drives. The seats are plush, ergonomically designed, and wrapped in high-quality leather, ensuring that every journey is a luxurious experience. With adjustable seating options and a range of features aimed at passenger comfort, it's clear that the designers prioritized creating a refined and comfortable environment. The dashboard is centered around a state-of-the-art infotainment system, which is easy to navigate and packed with a range of connectivity options. This technology makes the Jaecoo J7 not only a pleasure to drive, but also a convenient companion for anyone who spends a lot of time on the road. Passengers will also enjoy the advanced climate control system, which is both efficient and silent, allowing everyone to relax and focus on the road ahead. The Jaecoo J7 is packed with technology that enhances safety, entertainment, and connectivity. It includes an advanced driver assistance system, ADAS, that provides features like lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and autonomous emergency braking, which helps prevent potential accidents and ensures a safer drive. The vehicle is also equipped with multiple airbags and a reinforced frame, ensuring passengers' safety in every situation. Connectivity is another strong suit for the Jaecoo J7. With built-in Wi-Fi, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, staying connected on the road has never been easier. Whether for work or play, the Jaecoo J7 is designed to meet the needs of a modern lifestyle. The high-resolution touchscreen display is responsive and easy to use, with seamless integration between different applications and real-time navigation support. Performance is where the Jaecoo J7 truly shines. The SUV is available in both petrol and hybrid engine options, catering to different types of drivers and fuel preferences. The standard petrol engine provides a powerful and smooth drive, offering great acceleration and steady handling, while the hybrid model is perfect for those looking for a more eco-friendly alternative without sacrificing power. Both versions come with an automatic transmission, which delivers seamless shifts and contributes to a comfortable driving experience. In addition to its impressive engine options, the Jaecoo J7 is equipped with an intelligent all-wheel drive system, which enhances its off-road capabilities. This feature ensures that drivers can confidently take on challenging terrains, making the Jaecoo J7 a versatile SUV that is as much at home in the city as it is on mountain trails. With growing concerns over fuel consumption and environmental impact, the Jaecoo J7 addresses these issues by offering an eco-friendly hybrid model. This version not only reduces fuel consumption, but also minimizes carbon emissions, allowing drivers to enjoy their journey with peace of mind. The hybrid variant is equipped with regenerative braking technology, which recaptures energy during braking to further enhance efficiency. Fuel efficiency remains commendable even in the petrol variant, thanks to innovative engineering that maximizes energy output without compromising performance. The Jaecoo J7 ensures that drivers don't have to constantly worry about fuel stops, making it ideal for long-distance journeys or daily commutes alike. One of the most appealing aspects of the Jaecoo J7 is its competitive price. Despite offering premium features and high-end performance, the Jaecoo J7 is positioned to be an affordable option in the SUV market. In its base configuration, the Jaecoo J7 starts at around $28,000 and can go up to $35,000 for the fully loaded model, depending on options and upgrades. This price range makes the Jaecoo J7 an attractive proposition, providing exceptional value for money in comparison to other vehicles with similar specifications and features. In conclusion, the Jaecoo J7 represents a perfect blend of style, performance, and technology. It's a vehicle that is built for those who crave a luxurious experience without a hefty price tag, and it meets the demands of a modern lifestyle with elegance and ease. This essay highlights the myriad features that make the Jaecoo J7 a remarkable choice for both the urban commuter and the adventurous explorer. From its commanding presence on the road to the innovative technology that powers it, the Jaecoo J7 is an SUV that truly embodies the best of what modern automotive design has to offer. For anyone in the market for a high-quality SUV that doesn't break the bank, the Jaecoo J7 should undoubtedly be on the list. With its impressive specifications, affordable price, and thoughtful design, it's a vehicle that's likely to set a new benchmark in the SUV segment. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what you're excited to see next. I'll see you in the next one.